Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel where we're diving into Herbs 101 and explore the incredible benefits of the herbs I love and use daily. I have an exciting update to share as I'm now dedicating time to support people in person through workshops and group sessions. I'll be uploading videos weekly instead of daily. This allows me to provide even more value to you while helping others embrace natural solutions in real time. But don't worry though, my videos will still be packed with everything you need to empower yourself with natural remedies that enhance your well-being. Now, each video will focus on answering your burning questions, uncovering the secrets of herbs, and giving you actionable steps to transform your health. To make sure you don't miss out on any of these, hit the notification bell and stay updated with my latest content. I'm also grateful for your support and excited to keep sharing this journey with you. So let's continue empowering ourselves one step at a time. Today, we're focusing on exploring the secret benefits of Vervain. Now, this often overlooked herb is a powerful ally for stress relief and sleep support, and I'm here to tell you why it deserves a spot in your herbal collection. So, what is Vervain? Well, Vervain, also known as Verbena officinalis, has been celebrated for centuries in traditional medicine. It goes back as far as ancient Egypt, and it's known as a calming herb, often used to reduce stress and anxiety while promoting a restful night's sleep. And this is how Vervain works. Studies have shown that Vervain contains compounds that act as mild relaxants, helping to soothe the nervous system and reduce tension. Vervain's calming properties make it an excellent herb to include in your bedtime routine, especially as a tea. Now, beyond its calming effects, Vervain also supports digestion by stimulating bile production. This makes it useful after heavy meals. And here's how to use Vervain. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of Vervain to a cup of boiling water and let it steep for 10 minutes. So sip this calming tea in the evening for the best results. Pregnant women should avoid using it as it may stimulate uterine contractions. And if you're on medications for anxiety or sleep, consult a healthcare professional before use. Now, I love it because this herb is one of the first that I tried as a tea. And I was amazed how quickly it melted away the stress of the day, making me feel calm and mellow. Now, it's now a staple in my nighttime routine. So if you're looking for a natural way to wind down and improve your sleep, I can't recommend Vervain enough. You've been asking where I actually find quality herbs, and I'm thrilled to share that you can get responsibly sourced organic and wild-crafted Vervain at naturalworkshops.com. Now, these herbs I've searched far and wide for that are responsibly sourced and organic from good, reliable suppliers from all over the world. Just use the link in the description and you can get 50% off your first purchase and start your journey toward better sleep and stress relief. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you'll keep tuned. I'll continue to keep putting out these videos for you at least once a week. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Herbs 101 content, and share it with someone who could use a little more calm in their life. So remember to check the description for the links to Vervain and other handcrafted holistic products. And in the meantime, stay happy, be healthy, and always be wise.